You're in the bush.
I know, I stopped before as much of the bush as I possibly could.
Yep. I'm in.
You just need to tell me what SP this is.
Bear with me one moment.
No worries. No rush.
There's a headache behind my eye.
Oh no. I feel like we're window shut for this first part.
I think I'm keeping my eyes shut. This is SP6160-05.
Nice. Alright.
North to south, I believe.
Ooh, get you, that's very swish.
I think.
Ready? Before the farmer comes the other way.
Yeah.
I feel like this is going to be pretty.
This is going to be scratchy. It did say it gets scratchy after the farm.
Yeah.
And we're technically the opposite way, so. When you do that, the mirrors don't fall out again.
Yeah, that'd be awkward. Decided windows up for at least this first part. By the way, is that a skate ramp in that field?
Kind of looks like it should be, doesn't
or
it?
Or 4x4 like ramp. Huge.
Did you like paintwork?
Nah, I never liked the paintwork.
Good job. It's definitely not a skate ramp, I can confirm.
Are you sure?
I don't know what it is. It's got metal hooks coming out of it.
I'm sure it's an old relic or something that's like buried into the ground.
I'm going to have some ACs.
Oh. You put it on for 20 degrees.
And I put it on for 18.
Oh,
There's some blackberries there.
Yeah, they're all down the side of our car.
Yeah, they are.
Wiped.
Scratchy. Jesus.
All sides and underneath.
Goodness me.
Jesus, like an orchestra in here.
There goes your paintwork.
Could you, like, literally...
There's more of them concrete things. I wonder what they are.
Could you imagine if this is the entrance to your farm?
I know. You couldn't be precious with your car.
No.
You wouldn't have like a Ferrari, would you?
No.
Could you imagine actually if you lived here, the fact that, I don't know, you order your washing machine and Mr. Curry's man.
Yeah.
Well, I'm not presuming it's a man. Not sure. But they come to deliver your washing machine. It's like, is there, oh, careful, you might end up in the fence.
Maybe.
There you go, you could literally drive through Blackberry.
Yeah.
Like, imagine, is there any like special delivery instructions? Wow.
Make sure you got nothing wider than a classic Mini.
Yeah. You're not going to want to be coming in your 7.5 tonner.
No.
And also, you're going to be reversing for about 3 miles.
Yeah, that's nice. It gets rid of your paintwork, then it like rubs
Polishes
it down.
it.
Yeah, it gives it a little polish afterwards.
See, I've got it all thought out here.
Haven't they? It's like feather dusters up against your car.
They look like they'd be quite soft.
Gonna sneeze.
Bless you. It's because you're the countryside. Bless you.
To be fair, I'd rather sneeze here than some of the other lanes we've done.
Yeah, that's true. Sneezing ends up in a rut.
Yeah, it's stuck. Why did you get stuck while I sneezed?
Yeah, sort of thing I'd do.
Doing. Did not know about that. Excuse me. You're tickling my undercarriage.
Undercarriage.
Hey, it's going to clean the undercarriage.
Saves us doing it. We need to do wet the like weeds down first and then dry it.
Exactly.
Some black stuff.
Looks like peat.
Alright, Pete.
How
you doing?
No, it looks like Simon.
I look like Fred myself. Oh no, another gate.
I take it this byway just keeps going straight.
Yeah.
Through his farm. That'd be inconvenient to have a byway through your farm.
A little bit.
Just passing through.
Do you think that is meant to say please close the gate?
Yeah, back in the day.
Some of these gates look like they've seen better days.
A little bit.
Move the bush because it was pricking me.
Oh no, good job.
As much as I say some of these gates like look like they've seen better days, that's probably one of the easier gates.
Yeah. The old gates are the best gates.
I think so. Feels like it's maintained. It did say please close the gate on the inside.
Oh, what? It didn't say savage dogs in this area.
Oh gosh, could you imagine?
enter at
I
your
think there might be
peril.
another gate. See, you know how you were complaining about gates yesterday?
Yeah.
I don't think you've got the right to complain anymore.
I got that quite easy, I think. I think
you
between
do.
the gates and the spotting.
I think I've got the worst end of the deal, but it's okay, I'll remember.
Yesterday was scenic, today's more kind of technical.
Thinking about it.
Yes. I wonder how often these are used.
It does make you wonder, doesn't it?
Because they're not as overgrown as I thought they could be.
No.
But equally they're not whacked back that
No.
every day they're used. This car gonna look so pretty by the end of this.
Yeah, well. I chose to not look at the paintwork when I got out.
Good idea.
What's this danger on that gate? Are we about to die?
Maybe. It's a bit disconcerting, a sign like that.
A little bit.
I'd love to know how they get any sort of deliveries.
They don't. Well, it's camper, what they call camper van.
It looks like it's two gates, one after the other.
Yeah, I'll walk between. Stop, look and listen. Beware of vehicles.
Yeah.
Oh, that's fine. That's a danger sign, that's fine.
That
Oh
we
look,
can
this
deal
is
with
the farm.
Yes, I'm hoping this one opens in.
Can you do me a little favour?
Oh, I've just noticed a bit of an issue.
Yeah.
I've blocked you somewhat in.
You've given yourself room.
I'm fine. Shut up. I don't know how much room I'm going to be able to give
No,
you.
it's just a little. There you go, that'll be fine.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'll get out, go backwards and walk forward.
Good idea. Probably safer.
There's nettles.
Nettles.
Rip me.
Rip you.
Stunning, isn't it?
Good job. It really is really nice. Look at that. Have you seen that view there?
I know.
It's amazing.
I think that might be like a camping site thing.
That'd be
There's a
amazing
sign
if
that
it
says
is.
like camping caravanners club or whatever you call it.
I have a feeling they get a deliveries from this end.
Yeah.
This end seems a bit more open and a bit more travelled. Thanking you.
Look, could you imagine camping there?
Maybe we'll do it one day.
Oh, boy.
Thank you for doing my gate duties.
They've got one of those little seat things.
Oh, that's amazing. Especially, look at that view though.
I know.
Wow.
So pretty.
That's a view to be jealous of.
100%.
Almost feels like a normal driving road.
That's a little bit.
Do you think someone with a bicycle went down
Kind
there?
of looks that way, I must admit. What phone signal would you believe?
Wow. Well, then again, you are at the top of a hill. Wow. Not a bad driveway either.
Better than our driveway.
Yeah. Although I can imagine this being quite scary in the pitch black.
Yes.
There's no lights or anything.
That is very true, actually. It's where a light bar would come in handy.
A little bit. Maybe all their vehicles are equipped with like ultra bright sonic light bars.
It was funny how on the driveway of that farm they had a Nissan Navara.
Yes. Could you imagine going into Ferrari and going, I want one of these Ferraris, and the dealer going, what optional extras would you like with that? Could I have one of them whacking great big bright light bars, please? Where do you want it? I don't mind. In the grill on the roof, not fussed.
Is that smoking or is it my eyesight?
I was trying to work out that, but I didn't know if it was our... Oh wow. I didn't know if it was our window where it's a bit grubby.
Well, maybe. Not sure.
Grubby window is grubby.
Imagine if you saw someone coming the other way.
I'd be like, ah! And crash.
Oopsie.
Oopsie.
Oh, there's a crash barrier there, so it'll be fine. What are these gates for?
Yeah, why are you gated? Oh, there used to be a gate there. One less for you to do.
Thank you, Dodford Lodge Farm.
Yeah. Thank you for letting us pass straight through.
They're very trusting, aren't they?
I still think it'd be massively inconvenient
Well, I think so
to
too.
have a byway.
You've got to put a lot of trust that people are actually going to shut the gate as well.
Yeah. And just generally be respectful. That looks like fun. It's when that's a different byway and we end up coming back through
Well, the thing is, some of it does link,
Yeah.
but I'm not entirely... It's hard to tell what links and what doesn't. Because if you remember, there's three, they're all together, but there was a gap.
Yeah. Why is there a gap?
Yeah, that was the thing I couldn't work out.
Oh wow, love the camber. It's like someone's purposely gone out of their way to make it like a racetrack. Steady.
Phone down.
Phone down. Can we go over that plough field?
No.